Hey there, this is Christina with WTI. When I'm going to the beach, an absolute must is sun protection, and that's why I love this umbrella by AMMSUN. This is their 6.5-foot blue beach umbrella. It is a perfect size. I truly get wonderful shade from the sun and protection. I also love that it's so easy to set up. The sand anchor has these great handles, making it simple and easy to screw into the ground and secure, I might add. You add your 2 pieces here, which is adjustable as far as height, and you are good to go. Something else that makes this umbrella really sturdy and wonderful are these wind vents that you can see here. The blue is such a pretty color, but it's more than pretty. It has 50 SPF protection, and you can see here that underneath there isn't even a glare from the sun. I think the feature of it being able to tilt is also excellent because you can make sure that you have upright protection if that's what you need, or you can tilt it toward the sun and make sure that wherever the sun is, you are protected, comfortable, and cool. If you're looking for an umbrella that gives excellent shade, is easy to carry and install, and is also beautiful, I definitely would recommend this one. And that's my point of view.